Welcome to the family, child. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, and I want to thank you for coming. Only thing I ask you to do every time that you come here is ring the doorbell. That means hit the thumbs up or the like button, whichever way that you like to call it. Okay. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave here, and make sure that you leave a comment and let me know what you thought about the video. That's all you got to do every time you come over here. Make yourself more than welcome. Feel like family, because that's what you are. And I hope that you are enjoying yourself. You have a good one. Hey y'all, this your girl Tiana, not gonna be me, and today what I'm going to be making for y'all is some barbecue brown sugar baked chicken. That's something a little different that I wanted to make for my husband, you know, just some barbecue chicken. He loves barbecue, so I'm going to do him some brown sugar barbecue baked chicken. And then we're going to make some cabbage and another side. I'm going to show y'all how we're going to do some cabbage another way as well. So welcome to my channel. Thank you for coming. I hope you is enjoying yourself. If you is new, welcome. Thank you. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Please don't make sure to hit that notification bell to make sure that your notifications is on whenever I post a video. And also don't forget to ring that doorbell. Hit the thumbs up, the like button. One time for you, girl, if you don't mind. Alright y'all, so the ingredients that you're going to need for this recipe is, I'm going to pan around a little bit so you can see. Nothing major. I got an onion right here. You can put bell pepper if you want it, but I ain't got none. We ain't going to worry about it. And parsley, you're going to need you a dish to bake it in, and whatever cuts of chicken that you want to use. Alright, so let's start seasoning. Alright, so I have my chicken in my bowl, so we're just going to go for it. Start seasoning it up real good. We're going to add some chicken bouillon for that good flavor. I am going to add a little paprika just for the color. I'm going to add some black pepper. Y'all hear my husband in the background. Y'all already know what time it is. I'm going to add some seasoning salt. Add a little bit more, make sure it's seasoned good. Then we're going to add hot sauce. I love to add hot sauce to any meat that I'm cooking. I just do. It just does something for that flavor. And then I'm going to add some mustard. I got to add mustard to my meat. I love to add mustard. It's something about mustard. You don't need much, but it's something about mustard on your meat. Alright, so that's what you need so far. I'm about to mix this here up. Get it all coated. Put all the seasonings. And now we're going to add some brown sugar. And if I didn't say it, you need some barbecue sauce of your choice. Alright, so I got my brown sugar. It can be light brown sugar too. It don't have to be dark. And I'm going to add maybe like I don't measure, y'all. Tablespoon, 2 tablespoons. And some. Just about put about 3 tablespoons up in there. Just depends on how much you making now. So I got about 3 tablespoons, and then I have some of this barbecue sauce. I add a little water to it to finish this one here off, but I'm gonna add just a little bit to that, like that. Not a lot. And mix that on in. On that chicken. And now I have my dish here. Oh, you know what? Onion powder and garlic powder. If you got some, I've been forgetting about this little thing I got right here. Let me see what I got up here. Oh, I don't see now one of those up there. Alright, so now we're just going to take this chicken here and lay it in the pan. Like that right there. Pour these juices over it. And We ain't adding no more water or nothing. I'm going to put it in the pan, just in the oven, just like this, uncovered. And I'm going to let it cook on 375 until it's done. I really can't say how long, but I will time it for y'all, let y'all know how long it took me. Okay, so I almost forgot, y'all. I'm gonna take this onion. And this the part my husband wouldn't want on there, but child, he don't be knowing because the food be so good. Unless he see it, he'll try to pick it out. But gotta add some onion. And if you got bell pepper, add you some bell pepper. All right. So we're gonna slice this here onion right on here. Spread that about. And I forgot, I'm gonna add some parsley to this too, y'all. Put that parsley on there. And now we're about to stick this here in the oven and let it bake. So, this is what I have. And it's gonna go in the 375-degree oven, and I'm gonna put it in for like 35 minutes. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna set my timer for 35 minutes. So after 35 minutes, we're gonna see what it look like. But constantly check on them, turn them over and all that stuff like that, because you might need to roll them over. You know, the bottom is gonna start glazing up. I'm not gonna put it on the bottom, I'm gonna put it in the middle rack. And yeah, so that's it to the barbecue. Brown sugar barbecue chicken. And we're gonna move on to the next thing. Alrighty, y'all, so I have pulled the chicken out the oven, and they about done. You just want to cook them till they fork tender, and make sure you keep rolling them over, basting them like that with the sauce as they cooking. But I took them out this time because we finna put some more barbecue sauce on. The barbecue sauce that I put in it the first time, that was just something to have it cook in some sauce, you know. But now we about to let this here get sticky on the barbecue chicken. So whatever kind of barbecue sauce you want, add you some more to it like so. And that little liquid in the bottom should help keep it from burning. But we finna let this here get sticky. My husband loves barbecue sauce, so I'm going a little heavy on it. Like that. And then I'm not going to even roll them over right now because it's just going to slide off anyway. So I'm going to stick it back in the oven just like that. Here's a close-up of what I got, what the chicken is looking like. It's not done. I'm finna get ready to put it in the oven, y'all. Alrighty, y'all. So for the cabbage, what you're going to need is smoked sausage of your choice. You're going to need the cabbage that I showed you. You're going to need your little piece of onion. I washed the cabbage off. You're going to need you some sugar, and you're only going to need a little bit of it. So some sugar, a little pinch of salt, some celery, salt, some black pepper, some Badia, complete seasoning, black pepper, thought y'all saw it, celery seasoning. And then I have this ham seasoning, y'all, that I'm gonna be adding to it. And then some butter and some bacon grease that I got. All right, so what I'm gonna do is we're going to take our sausage and we're gonna cut the sausage up on a diagonal like that. Just give us some nice little cute pieces of sausage to go in that cabbage. And this right here is a quick way to make cabbage, especially if you ain't gonna make a lot or you don't feel like boiling no smoked meat. You ain't got no smoked meat to cook, but you got you some sausage. Use the sausage. Use the sausage, okay? All right, so now we got that. So then we're gonna take that onion and cut it up as well. So I want to get that there and cut it up. And I'm gonna just dice it up. Just dice it up like that right there. Okay. All right. So that's all we need right here for the cabbage. All right. So over here in my skillet, I'm gonna add my bacon grease. And I just love butter in my cabbage, y'all, so I gotta add the butter too, even though I'm adding the bacon grease. Okay. So we have the bacon grease, and to this I am going to add my smoked sausage. And I'm going to brown this here up a little bit. So once I get it browned, I'll move on to the next step. All right, y'all. So I have an overhead vent. So let's try to ignore that. But okay, so now you see the sausage is browning up some. Now we're going to add that onion to it because I didn't want the onion to cook too fast, and we don't have none by the time I get ready to do what I need to do. So now we're going to add that onion. Get that mixed on in like that. And the cabbage. Okay. All right, so now let's add a little seasoning. We're going to add up some complete seasoning. Season to your own taste. I'm just showing you what I'm using. Complete seasoning. Ham seasoning, just a little bit. Not much. A little black pepper. Not too much. Just a little tap of this celery seasoning. Just for that flavor, just a little bit. And then when you add the sugar, just a little, not this much. A little teaspoon or tablespoon is good enough. Just depends on how much you making. So now we're just going to mix all that in together. Like so. And we're going to let all this here start coming together, and that cabbage is going to start releasing juices. You really don't have to add no water to your cabbage because they're going to make their own water. So then I'm going to grab me some butter to add up in here. And I'm going to let this cook a little bit before I add the butter though. So when this is about done, we're going to go in and add the butter. And it's not going to take long. Just cook it according to how you like your cabbage cooked. My husband, he like his cabbage cooked soft, so that's how I'm gonna cook his soft. Okay. So maybe about a good 10, 12 minutes will be enough. 15 minutes will be enough for the cabbage. I'm gonna put a lid on this and let it go. Alrighty, y'all, so now the cabbage is done. Yes, it got like a little brown color, but that's from the sausage and just letting it fry. Well, not that much. Just put a little butter. And that's the fried cabbage, y'all. Smothered cabbage or fried cabbage, whatever you want to call it. But that's how you do that though. Yep. And that is done. So I'm gonna make some mashed potatoes to go with that. And that's gonna be dinner, y'all. Get y'all up in there. Y'all see them cabbage? Fried cabbage. And of course, if you don't brown your sausage or anything like that, you won't have that color to your cabbage. Alrighty, y'all, so here's the barbecue chicken. Come on now. Come on. There we go. This is the barbecue chicken and what it looks like, y'all. This is it. It's sticky and all the good stuff. Looks good, gonna be good. So now I'm just gonna make my mashed potatoes to go with it. And this is how I make my brown sugar barbecue chicken with some fried cabbage and mashed potatoes. So stay tuned to see the plate in the end. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy it. Sorry, y'all, the fan's still going over the stove, but here is the cabbages, mashed potatoes, garlic butter mashed potatoes, and barbecue brown sugar barbecue chicken. Alright, y'all, thank y'all for watching. I hope you enjoy it. If you try it, leave a comment, let me know what you think. To the next one, I am